transformation. In today's video, we're going to do an ASMR celebrity makeup tutorial. So if this is your first time on here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's get into the video. Our Ruby Kisses eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown. We're going to fill it in. So as you guys see, I already filled it back in just a little bit. So we're going to do Monica makeup look. Mostly Monica wear natural makeup. Did that. That's the first step. Always do your brows first. That's essential to me. Now we're going to do the concealer for the brows. But before we do all of that, we need to make sure we have enough moisturizer. So we're going to use my Ruby Kisses Hydrating Moisturizer. And we're going to use some Kiss Primer. So make sure that our face is moisturized before we put that makeup on. If not, it's going to be real flaky. And your makeup is not going to look A1. So I'm going to put some on my big forehead, on the cheek, and the concealer. Concealer is very easy. Just apply a little bit because that helps the concealer and foundation, whatever your preference that you want to use, to stay moisturized and stay longer. So after that, you guys, I'm going to use my favorite eyeshadow palette by I Envy. This is the makeup palette. It's called Make Me Nude, and it mostly have all the natural colors, and that one is Monica used. So yes, I done dug out the colors, but hey, it's worth it. And I'm going to use my glitter palette. These have different color glitters. It looks so good. Yes, I done dug that out too, so don't be talking about me. And let's get into it in this beat. Okay, concealer, Camel, and the number 9. I'm going to place this underneath my eyebrows. Okay, so you just easily go underneath. Follow the lining of your brow where your hair is. Please don't put it on top because it's going to take a lot of time to get your eyebrows back in order. So you have to start all over and redo your eyebrows because that concealer loves to stay. The next thing, best thing, is have an angle brush. An angle brush is a good technique for your brows. So you just go underneath. Please take your time and just go in the crease and then bam, colors. So what I'm going to use a blending brush. But it's mostly like a reddish orange color that Miss Monica have. So I'm going to use this color here. It's called Top Secret. And I'm going to blend it in. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to blend in that color. Right? And you just take your time. Don't be trying to rush and do all of that. Take your time blending in this color, because this is the most important factor. Okay? Next, you're going to take another brush. I don't know the name of this brush, but I'm going to use this one, and it's called Rough. Rough is a nice pigment reddish brown color, and I'm just going to go in the inner crease of my eye. So I'm going to do that. Use my Blackout eyeliner by Absolute. This is in the color black. So what I'm going to do is going to draw like almost like a wing, but not too much of a deep wing. So I'm going to do this. Take your time coming around like that. Some glitter. The glitter is always A1. So in the picture, it's mostly like a reddish brown color. And I think in the nude, I have like a reddish as well. But let me do this one first. I'm going to use this gold. I'm just going to use my finger. I'm just going to go across like that. Because sometimes the brushes don't do no justice. So I'm going to go in with my finger. So I'm using this color here. I'm just going to go in like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go back in with my nude eyeshadow palette. And they have like a brownish glitter color. And I want to mix those two together. Oops, I'm sorry. And this is called Tease. So the Tease color. So now I'm going to use my Serum Boosted Skin Tint, and I have it in the color number 3. So this is kind of like a deodorant, but it is like a concealer base. So I love it, and it's so easy to apply on the skin. So as you guys can see, look how easy it blends in with my natural skin and an amount of coverage just one time. And I got this from TikTok as well. Setting spray, I only have a little left. I gotta get some more. And just spray all over and let it sit for 5 minutes. Filler and skin tint. We're going to blend that. As you guys can see, look how well that blends in with my skin tone. I did use a little bit of the Nicka K concealer, and look, and it gives moisture, and it blends right in with my skin. I have fallen in love. Now the lip combo. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses, the Super Rich Cream Chocolate. This is the number 20. I love this brown lipstick. Then I'm going to use my girl Fenty Beauty. I think this one, I forgot what number this is. I think it's number 6 or 12. But I know it's not the fuchsia. I forgot the other one. But I'm going to use this like a soft pink. So I'm going to use the same color that Monica is wearing on her lips. So I'm going to use this lipstick to outline my lips. I'm going to do that. And I'm just going to pat down on my lips. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend in the edges. I'm going to use my girl Fenty Beauty. I'm just going to go in like that. Now, I just usually just use my finger and go up like that. And then that's it. So this is my Monica inspired makeup look. I hope you guys did enjoy. It's very simple, very easy. I use my Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette by Kiss Professional, I Envy, and it had all the different natural earth tone colors. And I use my glitter eyeshadow palette. I have 24 colors, and you can get this off Amazon, so or here on YouTube as well. And I also use my Ruby Kisses setting spray, 24 hours. And I use my Skin Boost tint that I got from TikTok. This is the box and the brand. I think the brand is called La Crane, and I have in the color number 3. It's like a medium brown skin tone color, and it's like a deodorant, and it's go very smooth on my skin, and you can't even tell I have anything on. So this is a must. So you guys can go right on TikTok. That's where I purchased mine from. This is a must-have. And I also had my Fenty Beauty for my lip combo, and I use my Ruby Kisses chocolate, the super rich cream lipstick. I love very much. So these are the products that I used in today's video. And I use this primer by Kiss Professional, the Cooling and Blurring Face Primer, and then I also use Ruby Kisses Hydrating Moisturizer as well. So these are all the products that I use in today's video. Very simple, very easy. So if you guys want to know more, this was my ASMR. Sorry if it wasn't ASMR, but it's my Monica the Singer makeup tutorial look. So if you feel very inspired and want to recreate this look, please comment down below. Also add me to your page or the picture that you have did your makeup, and I would love to see it. So don't forget to subscribe, and we can do more celebrity makeup tutorials. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time, ciao.